Flawless Filler 25165. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. 5 times. Here we go. Lots of giveaways. Let's do it. He met them friends in low places. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I've already forgotten what teams I'm giving away in this one. 4 and 5. And 5. Detroit Lions on top. Bucks on bottom. That is 5 times. Let's find out who gets what. We are giving away Bills, Bengals, Cowboys, Broncos, Raiders. Flawless. The other filler's down to 17, by the way. All right. Bills. Bills are in spot 15, going the way of Caleb Devine. Bengals, Cowboys, Broncos. Control F. Bang. Bengals 3. Ryan Turner. Cowboys. Broncos, Raiders. Broncos in 2 to Clements. Broncos, Cowboys are in spot. Spot 18. Scotty Collins. And then the final one is the Raiders. 16. Bobby Bowman. And save. All right, all your spots are saved in now. This is the next filler. All right, here we go. Get teams for while you're at it, because that's a spot in National Treasures for Thursday, hopefully, and Mosaic International and a cherry pie. All right, Camp Rock, Bateman, Jeff Saturday, Ramondre Stevenson, Goff, Schwartz, J.C. Horn. That's just another die cut. Antonio Brown. Williams, Mac Jones, Ivana Smith, Tyson Campbell. Joe Burrow, Brown, Calvin Ridley, Selma, Quiddy Winston, Marset, Justin Fields, Jamar Chase. And finally, Chris Evans, Jameis Winston, Pat Freeworth. Not a great blaster there, but the price was in the bars, eh? Well, FILLER 25165.